Hi guys, cut this carrot with me. I'll be making diced version and shredded version. So for our shredded version, I'll be using this part of this cutter to make the shredded version, right? So come with me, let's work together. So you just take it and up down, just work your way through it, and there you have it. It's pretty simple and easy to use. And the lovely thing about this cutter is that it is affordable. As at when I'm making this video, I think it's about, well, the last one I got about 200 or 300 naira, and it has multiple function. You can use it for dicing different shape, and you can even use it for grating. That's the beautiful thing about this cutter. If you don't have it in your kitchen, or more quickly run and rush and get one. It has multiple function. So but you have to be careful. You watch your hand so you won't grate your hand alongside whatever you are grating with your carrots or whatever you are using it for. But here we are grating, we are shredding our carrot, and it's very fast. It does not waste time. So we transfer this to our bowl. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. In just how many seconds? Look at the quantity we have. Look at the quantity we've been able to do. So it's, like I said, it's pretty easy, it's fast, it's straightforward, it's not stressful, no headache, simple, soft life. See, look at it. Look at it. Yeah, so let's go on with the other method. Using our knife, we'll be making our diced method. Remember we just finished making the shredded method or the shredded version. So we'll be making our diced version, and we'll be doing that with the help of our knife. We'll be doing that with the help of our knife. So please make sure you have a very sharp knife, and to make the job easier, so you cut through, but not to the end. Cut through, then you turn around, cut through, just like to the middle part. Cut through. You see, if you are not careful, you cut it out. So let's dice. So when you see that the part that you've cut, you are almost exhausting it by dicing it out in the round version, you will go on by cutting through again. So the beautiful thing about this cutting method, about this dice method, is that in case you are not getting it with the knife, you can just make round version. I will show you another method. Let me just set this aside. In case you didn't get it with the knife, or you are scared of the knife, you can just make this round version. Please make sure you try to make it as tiny as possible, so the next process or the next stage will be easy and fast. Now at this point it's time to grab our cutter. Remember this cutter we used to use for our shredded version, that we use this part for our shredded version. So for the diced version, we'll be using this part to transform it from this round shape to this shape. So let's get started. So you just walk it through, you just run it through, and you have your diced version. It's pretty easy. No stress, soft life. And you can even use it to cut it all from the beginning, and we cut until you get the final shape, size, quantity you need. Look at it, and it's so very beautiful. And the sizes, the shape, I just love the shape. It's just so unique. It's not just the regular stuff that you use your knife to do. Your knife cannot give you this unique shape now. Do you get it? So just watch out for the ones that are not yet small enough, and you walk it through. You walk your dicer, your cutter through. So it's pretty easy. You just walk your cutter through it. Let me set this aside and show you how to use this cutter from scratch to get your diced version. Look at it. You just go in like this. So you can just repeat the same process for the next carrot. So you can just dice everything all at once, and you have it. And the beautiful thing about this cut or this shape is that in case your children or your kids don't like eating fruit, they don't like eating carrots, when they see how wonderful the shape, the beauty of the shape, they will be encouraged to eat it. And so remember, we are making the diced version, so we just run through everything until we get the perfect size, shape and quantity that we want to achieve. We will not stop until then. It's a gradual process. It's an easy process. It's not complicated. It's not difficult. You just have to be patient and watch your hand, so you won't run the cutter through your hand, because it could be hurtful if you run this cutter through your hand. It's a very sharp cutter.
Every touch leaves me craving.